Beneath the lawyer on the toilet as he's taking a shit. Timothy's on this island and he's hungry for our flesh because that dumb fat fuck turned up the electrified fences.
You need roadside assistance, I'd be happy to help. My feet's a fat ass sandwich on sourdough with spell. I fool the smoke before I spit it in his face, then surprise him in the car, didn't even need to check.
Don't go off for a hike all by yourself. The comp bees will swarm you, detrimental to your health.
Our sweet baby Rex. Stomp my feet, stomp my Indominus feet. I will hunt the stomp my feet, stomp my feet, stomp my Indominus feet. I will chew the tourist tongue, cause they're succulent and sweet.
Rexy will eat you like a breadcrumb.
I'm so damn hungry. I'm so damn hungry.
Leave the light, go to hunt at night.
Winter turns to settle the score. Our foes will be dead here if they dare to mess around.
Genji's dad is the real villain. He's the reason we'll free the dinos' minds, eat investors like ham.
We're gonna stand our ground. Our foes will be dead here if they dare to mess around.
It made me crazy. They put me down.
Human flesh tastes the best when it's fresh. They will scream as I start to chew them. Watch it back, I'll attack and I'll snap every bone in your body. Of the humans, they will scream as I start to chew them. Might just be high from the cyanide. Carnivorous thoughts I cannot hide. Wanna run free, explore and sing. Human flesh tastes the best when it's fresh. Don't you hide, 'cause I'll find you. Find you. Kill them all.
And then it's time to spark it. The evidence starts a containment and breathe.
Eat all asymptomatic.
The vaccine stopped working because the virus mutated.